Morning student, welcome to Sheba online class. This is our very first class and I am your maths teacher and I am very happy to taking maths for you. Yes, this is our first class. I am introducing numbers. Of course, you have studied from first class onwards numbers. In this number system, the first set is natural numbers. Set of natural numbers denoted by capital N. And the next bigger set is W, that is whole numbers including 0. And next bigger one is integers, set of integers including negative numbers. And the next one is Q, Q is set of rational numbers and rational number is of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and one more condition is Q not equal to 0. That means our denominator should not be equal to 0. The next set is irrational number, that is root numbers. Root numbers are all called irrationals. For example, root 2, root 3, etc. Then last one, you have studied up to R. R is the real numbers and real numbers including rational as well as irrational numbers. Okay. So we conclude one definition. N is contained in W and contained in Z, contained in Q and contained in irrational, contained in R. That means N is the smallest one, this is the subset of W and W is the subset of Z and Z is the subset of rational numbers. Rational numbers are subset of irrational and irrationals are subset of the real numbers. You have understood. Next, let us see the first chapter. Our first chapter name is sets, relations and functions. In the first exercise we are going to see sets, the next exercise relations, the third one we have to study functions. Listen, sets. Sets is very familiar to you, 9th and 10th standard you have studied. First is set. What is the set? Set is a collection of well defined objects. Yes, and A is equal to A, B, C and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, etc. These are the examples. Listen, A, B, C are the elements. We use small letters for element and use capital letters for sets. And these sets may be finite or infinite. Finite means there are countable number of elements there. Infinite means there are uncountable number of elements. The types of sets we have see. Listen, first one is empty set. What is empty set? Empty set is denoted by phi or the set, empty set. Okay, empty set means the set having no element, that is called empty set. Next is subset and superset. Suppose two sets are here. Listen, this is our B, big set and A is inside B. So, A is the subset of B and also we said B is the superset of A. The next one, equivalent sets. Equivalent means if two sets are equivalent, if they are having same number of elements. For example, A is equal to A, B, C, B is equal to 1, 2, 3. These two sets having same number of elements. The elements may be differ but number of elements should be equal. The next one, equal sets. Equal sets means if two sets are said to be equal, if it having they having same elements. Listen, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 3, 2, 1. The order may be differ but the elements are same. That is called equal sets. Next, singleton set. Singleton set means having only one element. For example, A is equal to 3 or B is equal to empty. Phi is empty set, the set having one element. Okay, the set having one element phi. So, this is not empty set. Settukulla edha or element irundalum that is not empty. So, it is singleton set. The next one, subsets. You know very well how to write all the subsets of the given set. For example, I am taking 3 element sets, 1, 2, 3. How to write all the subset of A? First, our first subset is empty set. So, empty set is the subset of every set. Okay, next one, singleton set. எலிமெண்ட்டை தனித்தனியாக எழுதி ஒரு செட்டுக்குள்ளே போடுறோம். அண்ட் தென் 2 எலிமெண்ட்ஸாக கலெக்ட் பண்ணுறோம். த லாஸ்ட் ஒன் 3 எலிமெண்ட்ஸ். நமக்கு 3 எலிமெண்ட் செட் இருக்குதுன்னா 3 இஸ் த லாஸ்ட் எலிமெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும், லாஸ்ட் செட்டாக இருக்கும். அண்ட் லிசன், திஸ் எம்டி செட் அண்ட் த செட் இட் செல்ஃப் ஆர் கால்டு ட்ரிவியல் சப்செட்ஸ். இந்த 2 செட்டும் வந்து ட்ரிவியல் சப்செட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இப்போ இந்த செட்டு மட்டும், அதாவது த செட் இட் செல்ஃப் இஸ் கால்டு இம்ப்ராப்பர் சப்செட் எக்ஸப்ட் த செட் இட் செல்ஃப், த ரிமைனிங் ஆர் கால்டு ப்ராப்பர் சப்செட்ஸ். அந்த செட்டை விட்டுட்டு மீதி இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா செட்டுமே ப்ராப்பர் சப்செட்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட், யூனியன் ஆஃப் 2 செட்ஸ். Union of 2 sets is defined as A union B equal to set of all x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B or x belongs to both A and B. The next one, intersection of 2 sets, and it is defined as A intersection B is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. That means that element belongs to both A and B. Okay, this is our intersection of 2 sets. Our next heading is disjoint sets. Disjoint set means the 2 sets are distinct. Disjoint means distinct. That means there is no element in common. That is called disjoint sets. Its intersection is empty set. Disjoint க்கு intersection எடுத்தீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா empty set ஆ தான் இருக்கும். Okay, next one, power set. Power set denoted by P of A. P of A means power set of the given set. Power set of a given set எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா, you have to write in the set bracket, write all the subsets. Okay, write all the subset inside the set bracket. That is called power set. And one more formula is there. Suppose n of A is n of A is n, then n of P of A becomes 2 power n. எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு இதையே எடுத்துக்கோங்க. A is equal to 3 elements are given. So n of A is what? 3. And n of P of A is equal to 2 power n, isn't it? So 2 power 3 becomes 8. Now count number of elements in P of A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it? This is the formula for power set and the given set. Next one, universal set. Universal set denoted by U. U is the bigger set. நிறைய செட் இருக்கும், அது எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு பிக் செட் ஒன்று இருக்கும், that is called universal set. மற்ற எல்லா செட்டுமே இதனுடைய சப்செட்டாக தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் ஆஃப் எ செட். காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் ஆஃப் எ செட் A is denoted by A dash and it is equal to U minus A. U means universal setல இருந்து Aவை மைனஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஏல இருக்கிற எலிமெண்ட் எல்லாம் வந்து டெலீட் பண்ணிவிட்டு மீதி எழுதுறதுக்கு பேர் A dash. And A dash is defined as set of all x such that x belongs to U and x does not belongs to A. ஏல இருக்கக்கூடாது, Uல இருக்கிற மற்ற எலிமெண்ட் எல்லாம் இருக்கணும். Next, symmetric difference denoted by delta and A delta B, or we read this as A symmetry B. A symmetry B equal to A minus B union B minus A. A minus B union B minus A. The next one, set difference. Set difference is denoted by A minus B or A slash B. இது ரெண்டில் எது வேணால் டினோட் பண்ணலாம். And it is defined as x such that x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. That means Aல இருக்கிற எலிமெண்ட் எழுதுகிறோம். அப்படி எழுதும்போது Bல இருக்கிற எலிமெண்ட் எல்லாம் அதிலிருந்து எடுத்துடணும். அதிலிருந்து நம்ம டெலீட் பண்ணிவிட்டு மீதி என்ன Aல இருக்கோ அதுதான் எழுதணும். Next one, Cartesian product of A cross B, and it is denoted by A cross B and defined as set of AB. It is in the form of ordered pair. Ordered pairல இருக்கும், கம்மா போட்டிருக்கும் நடுவில். ஓகே, ordered pairல தான் எழுதுவோம். and the condition is A belongs to A and B belongs to B. That means our first element belongs to first set, our second element belongs to second set. Okay, for example, A is 1 to B equal to 3, 7, 1. அது எப்படி நம்ம A cross B ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா, A cross B is equal to, first write these two sets, எழுதிட்டு நடுவில் கிராஸ் போட்டுக்கோங்க. It is equal to set bracketல first take first element எடுத்துட்டு செகண்ட் செட்டில் இருக்கிற 3 எலிமெண்ட்ஸும் கம்பைன் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ 1,3, 1,7, 1,1. அடுத்தது செகண்ட் எலிமெண்ட் எடுத்து அதே மாதிரி 2 3 2 7 2 1. This is our A cross B, cross product of A cross B. And one more result is A cross B is not equal to B cross A, because 1 comma 2 not equal to 2 comma 1. இப்போ இந்த elements change ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா that is not equal to, அதனால் கண்டிப்பாக அது ரெண்டும் நமக்கு வந்து என்னவா இருக்காது, ஈக்குவலாக இருக்காது. And one more condition, one more result is n of A cross B equal to n of A into n of B. And listen, in this sum A is equal to 1 comma 2. So what is n of A? N of A is 2. That means number of elements in A is 2 and the number of elements in B is what? 3. So our number of elements in A cross B is what? 2 into 3, 6. Check பண்ணலாமா? Listen, A cross B ல எத்தனை element இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 element வரும். Understood this? Now I am going to explain exercise sums. Okay, exercise sums, first Roman letter, write the following in roster form. We already know very well roster form is the elements we have to write in the set bracket as directly. Directa set bracket kulla element எழுதிடுவோம், அதுதான் வந்து roster form. And also you know very well set builder form, like that. The next, listen, first question is x belongs to n such that x square is less than 121 and x is a prime. Listen carefully, these two point is said to be such that. Such that க்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கிறது தான் நம்மளுடைய elements. Such that க்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கிறது நம்ம element. Such that க்கு after இருக்கிறது condition of that element. அந்த element எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்ற condition கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. Listen, we have to denote the given set as some other letter. நம்ம வந்து A அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கோம். Let A is equal to the given set. Okay. Next, first you have to write the numbers. What are the numbers? Our numbers are prime. X என்னன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, number வந்து prime இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. We know the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 and next one is 11, 13 etc. You know very well what are the prime numbers. So listen, consider all the primes, all are odd number except 2. So only even prime number is 2. Okay. Next, we have to squaring that number. So square பண்ணலாம் அந்த நம்பரை, என்ன கிடைக்கும்? X square equal to 4, 9, 25, 49 and 121, 169 etc. Okay, and our x square is less than 121. So less than 121 means the 121 ஓட மினிமமாக இருக்கணும், not equal to 121 also. ஸோ அதை விட கம்மியாக இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா 4, 9, 25, 49. ஓகே, இதுக்குள்ளே தான் இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு அவங்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. பட் அவர் எலமெண்ட் இஸ் எக்ஸ் ஒன்லி, நாட் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர். ஸோ இந்த சச்சுதற்கு முன்னாடி செக் பண்ணுங்கள் எக்ஸா எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயரானு. ஸோ எக்ஸ் தான் நம்ம நம்பர் அண்ட் அதை ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணிங்க அப்படின்னா லெஸ் தென் 121 இருக்கும். ஸோ லெஸ் தென் 121 இருக்கக்கூடிய ஸ்கொயர்ஸ் வந்து 4 நம்பர்ஸ், அதனுடைய எக்ஸ் வேல்யூ என்னவோ அதுதான் நம்மளுடைய செட். So our answer is set of all 2, 3, 5, 7. Understood? First x, this is our element and such that க்கு அப்புறம் இருக்கிறது condition. அந்த கண்டிஷனை வச்சு நம்ம எலிமெண்ட்டை இங்கே ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறோம். The next one, let A is equal to the set of positive root of the equation this. இந்த equation உடைய positive root only. Positive means negative root வரக்கூடாது, positive மட்டும் தான் வரணும். ஓகே, இப்போ இது வந்து ஃபேக்டரைஸ் ஃபார்மில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இட் இஸ் கிவன் இன் ஃபேக்டரைஸ் ஃபார்ம். வி ஹாவ் டு ஈக்குவேட்டிங் ஈச் ப்ராக்கெட் டு 0. ஃபஸ்ட் x minus 1 equating to 0 we get what? X equal to plus 1 and then equating x plus 1 equal to 0 we get x equal to minus 1 and equating this x square minus 1 equal to 0 what we get? X square is plus 1 and square root on both sides we get x equal to plus or minus 1. So repeatedly we get 1 and minus 1, but we want only the positive root. So our answer is 1 only. Understood this? Positive number மட்டும் எடுத்து எழுதுறோம். Positive number னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1 மட்டும் தான். Okay. The next third one is A is equal to set of all x belongs to n. That means n is x is the natural numbers We know very well what are the natural numbers, n is equal to 1 to 3 etc. and such that 4x plus 9 is less than 52. ஒரு condition கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, அந்த condition solve பண்ணனும் நம்ம. After solving only we get the elements. Okay, எப்படி solve பண்ணலாம் அப்படினா 4x less than 52 minus 9. The plus 9 right hand side போகும்போது minus 9 ன்னு வரும். The next step, x belongs to n such that and 4x is less than, subtract these two we get 43 and set of all x belongs to n such that x is less than 43 by 4. Okay, 43 by 4 what we get? You divide this, we get 10.75. 10.75. So our x is less than 10.75. So in the natural number, the first 10 numbers are our answer. Okay, these are the elements of A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to what? 10. 10 வரைக்கும் எழுதணும், ஏன்னா 10.75 க்கு below-வா இருக்கணும். Okay, this is our answer. Next, let A is equal to x such that x minus 4 by x plus 2 equal to 3. equal to சொல்லும்போது ஒரு எலிமெண்ட் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும், ஒரே ஒரு எலிமெண்ட் கிடைக்கும். அந்த எலிமெண்ட் கூட x belongs to r minus minus 2 set of real numbers. அந்த real numbersல இருந்து minus 2 remove பண்ணிட்டாங்க. Suppose if we get x equal to minus 2, we write only empty set. minus 2 கிடைச்சதுனா empty set தான் எழுதணும், அந்த செட்டுக்குள்ள அந்த minus 2 வரக்கூடாது, ஏன்னா நம்ம x belongs to r minus minus 2. Okay, now solve this. Cross multiplying we get x minus 4 is equal to 3 into x plus 2 and write the remaining as it is. X belongs to r minus minus 2 is equal to set of all x such that x minus 4 equal to 3x plus 6 comma x belongs to r minus minus 2. Okay, this is equal to set of x such that, listen, we take this x to that side and 6 to left hand side. What we get? Minus 6 plus 6 becomes minus 6 here and already ஒரு minus 4 இருக்கு and right hand sideல 3x இருக்கு, இந்த x அந்த side நம்ம எடுத்துட்டு போனா minus x and write the remaining as it is. Okay, the next step, x such that this is minus 10 equal to 3x minus x is what? 2x and x belongs to r minus of minus 2. Okay, this is equal to x such that 2x equal to minus 10, therefore x equal to what? Minus 5 and x belongs to r minus of minus 2. So we get x equal to minus 5 only. So our answer is, what is A? A is equal to minus 5. Singleton set. Understood? Now I am going to see second sum. Listen, second sum la minus 1,1 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. The elements are given directly, therefore it is in roster form. We have to change this roster into set builder form. Set builder form க்கு எழுத போறோம். As you wish, உன்னுடைய wish எது வேணாலும் எழுதிக்கலாம். நான் வந்து எழுதுறது x such that x is a root of x square minus 1 equal to 0. Listen, if x square minus 1 equal to 0 means x square equal to plus 1 and x equal to plus or minus 1 we already do in the last sum. Okay, listen, a is equal to minus 1 comma 1. So we rewrite this as x such that x is a root of x square minus 1 equal to 0. The next one, state whether the following sets are finite or infinite. Finite na the elements are countable means it is finite. Uncountable number of elements are there means it is called infinite set. Listen, x belongs to n such that x is an even prime number. We know very well 2 is only even prime number, I already told. Listen, what is that? 2. So this is an singleton set. that means only one element is there. So, it is finite or infinite, it is countable. So, therefore, A is finite set. A is finite set. Okay. Next, let A is equal to set of all x belongs to n and x is a rational number. We know very well what are the natural numbers. N means natural numbers. Okay. Natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay. We rewrite this as by 1, by 1, by 1. By 1 pata there is no change. We know very well. So, we rewrite 1 as 1 by 1, 2 as 1 by 2 by 1, 3 as 3 by 1 like that. So, we have to write all the natural numbers in the form of rational numbers. So, it is infinite number of elements. So, it is called infinite set. Therefore, our A is what? A is an infinite set. Infinite set. Okay. Next, we are going to see fourth one. Fourth one, by taking suitable sets ABC, verify the following results. Some results are given, and what is given? By taking suitable sets. This is our wish. நீ எது வேணாலும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். ABCக்கு பதிலாக எந்த elements வேணாலும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். Now I am taking A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, C is equal to some elements and U is equal to 1 to 9. That means single digit elements only I am taking. Now I am going to explain these two sums. Listen, first one is A cross B intersection B cross A equal to A intersection B cross B intersection A. Listen, first I am going to explain third one. Take left hand side only. What is left hand side in third sum? A cross B intersection B cross A. Now I am going to write A cross B first. Okay. What is A cross B? A is 1, 2, 3, cross B is 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And our A cross B is A cross B equal to set of the ordered pairs. First, consider 1. We have to combine this one all the elements in second set. Second set la irukkudiya 4 5 6 7 1 oda combine panni edha porom. That means 1 comma 4 1 comma 5 1 comma 6 1 comma 7. Next element adhe madri 2 வந்து இந்த 4 element ஓட compare பண்றோம். 2 comma 4 2 5 2 6 2 7. Like that we compare 3 with all the 4 elements. 3 comma 4 3 comma 5 3 comma 6 and 3 comma 7. Okay, this is our A cross B. Next we have to write B cross A. B cross A is equal to, first write the set B 4 5 6 7 4 5 6 7 and cross A. A is 1 2 3. Now write B cross A. First take first element 4. 4 oda இந்த 3 element combine பண்ணுங்க. 4 1 4 comma 2 4 comma 3. Next 5 oda combine பண்றோம். 5 1 5 2 5 3. Next 6 oda 6 1 6 2 6 3. The last one 7 oda 7 1 7 2 7 3. Okay, A cross B எழுதிருக்கோம், B cross A எழுதிருக்கோம். What is our left hand side? Our left hand side is A cross B intersection B cross A. A cross B intersection B cross A. This is equal to, consider these two sets. இந்த ரெண்டு செட்ல what are the elements common in both? ரெண்டுத்திலையும் காமனாக எது எது இருக்குன்னு செக் பண்ணலாமா? 1 comma 4. ஸோ இந்த 1 comma 4 இந்த செட்டில் இருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணுறோம். அவர் ஃபஸ்ட் எலிமெண்ட் should be 1, செகண்ட் should be 4. this one 1 இல்லை, ஃபஸ்ட் எலிமெண்ட்டில் 1 இல்லை. ஸோ this is not common. and check for next one 1 comma 5 இருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணுறோம். this is also not in second set, 1 6 also not in this set, 1 7 like that. எந்த எலிமெண்ட்டுமே இதில் இருக்காது. இதில் வந்து 2 தான் ஃபஸ்ட் எலிமெண்ட், இங்கே ஃபஸ்ட் எலிமெண்ட் 2வே இருக்காது. So there is no common in both. So we get empty set. A cross B intersection B cross A is empty set. Okay. Next, this is our left hand side, mark it as equation number 1. Next, take right hand side. So right hand side is A intersection B cross B intersection A. Okay. First, find A intersection B. It is equal to, what is A? A is 1, 2, 3. Intersection B is 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now find the intersection. How to find intersection? If the element common in both means that is called intersection. ரெண்டுத்திலையும் காமனாக இருந்தால் அதுக்கு பேர் intersection. So ரெண்டுத்திலையும் common element இல்லை. So our A intersection B is empty set. Next, B intersection A. This is also an empty set. Okay, B intersection A is also an empty set. If we find the cross product of these two, that means A intersection B cross B intersection A, ரெண்டுமே empty set. Our cross product also an empty set. Mark it as equation number 2. This fully as RHS and this is our LHS. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, ரெண்டு ஈக்குவேஷன்ல இருந்து we get the solution. Left hand side equal to right hand side. We have proved the first, third one. Okay. Let us see fourth one. Fourth one is C minus of B minus A equal to C intersection A union C intersection B dash. Okay, take the left hand side. Left hand side is this. First, the bracket la irukadha find out pandrom B minus A. First write the set B. What is B? 4, 5, 6, 7 and minus A. A is 1, 2, 3. Okay. B minus A means what? இப்போ இந்த A எலிமெண்ட் எல்லாம் இதில் இருந்து சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணிடுறோம். இப்போ 1, 2, 3 இதில் இருந்ததுன்னா சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணிடுறோம். இப்போ 1, 2, 3 இதில் இல்லை. ஸோ எதுவுமே நம்ம இதிலேருந்து டெலீட் பண்ண தேவையில்லை. ஸோ ரைட் த செட் B as it is. ஃபஸ்ட்டு செட்டை மட்டும் எழுதணும். 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. The next one C minus of B minus A. It is equal to, first write C. C is what? 4, 3, 5, 9. 4, 3, 5, 9 minus B minus A. B minus A is 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. இப்போ செக் பண்ணுங்க. 4 இதில் இருந்ததுன்னா அதை delete பண்ணிடுங்க. Again 5 deleted. 6, 7லாம் இல்லை. So the remaining in the first set only you have to write 3, 9. This is our left hand side. So mark it as equation number 1. Next, take right hand side. Our right hand side is this. So RHS equal to C intersection A union C intersection B dash. Okay. Listen. First you have to find C intersection A. C intersection A is equal to, C is 4, 3, 5, 9 and intersection A is 1, 2, 3. So any other common in both? 3 is common. Okay, only 3 is common. So write 3 in the set bracket. We get C intersection A. Next you have to find this. Before finding this, we find B dash. Okay, B dash எப்படி find பண்ணலாம்? B dash is U minus B. U ல இருந்து B ய minus பண்றோம். U is what? 1 to 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is it. Minus, what is B? B is 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. So our B dash is first in the 4, 5, 6, 7 இதில் இருந்து delete பண்ணுறோம். The remaining elements in the first set, that is our B dash 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. This is our B dash. Next find C intersection B dash. C intersection B dash equal to, first write C. C is 4, 3, 5, 9. Intersection B dash is this. This is our B dash. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. Okay. Intersection is what? That common element enna check pandrom. 3 is our common element. Next 4, no common. 5, 9 also common. Okay. So 3, 9. So this is our C intersection B dash. Now we have to find their union. எந்த ரெண்டினோட யூனியன் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா C intersection A, this union and the last one. இந்த ரெண்டையும் யூனியன் பண்ணலாம். C intersection, let us rub this. Next our right hand side. First right hand side statement எழுதியாச்சு. Next C intersection A. What is C intersection A? C intersection A is 3 and C intersection B dash is 3, 9. Right, and find the union. Union of these two is 3, 9, isn't it? 3, 9. எல்லாமே both ரெண்டுத்துலயும் சேர்த்து எழுதணும். எல்லா எலிமெண்ட்டுமே எழுத போறோம். That is 3, 9 and mark it as equation number 2 and consider these two, first and second. These two are equal, isn't it? So from first and second, our left hand side is equal to RHS. Understood? Okay. Thank you, children.